Hello everyone, welcome to you on Think Future Academy. Today we are going to learn about rank and different types of rank, how we can use in a formula. Let's begin. This is our data. I prepared this. This is percentage, total marks and overall marks, and here this rank formula is there with us. There are three types of ranking which we are using it as of now in Microsoft Excel: rank, rank.EQ and rank average formula. These two formulas are similar, but rank average we are using to find out the duplicates. Rank in the future, near future, rank formula will be removed by the Excel, Microsoft Excel. Here, if you can see a small window, it's there, and if I'm going to click, it is showing that this is a relative value and will be removed in the future. So I would suggest you to better use this rank EQ formula. Now we are going to just to have this formula and we will see what are the results are similar or different. So we are going to use rank and rank this value, comma, and my reference is the same number following that one, pressing F4, and you can see it here. This is my data and orders you can find out as well. Now we are going to use rank EQ formula equals to rank EQ. My reference is this one, number is this one, and my reference is the starting from here, and I'm going to lock it. And there is another option, ascending or descending. As a default, this order is descending. See, you can find it here, ascending or descending. It's up to you. If you want to use it in your formula, you can use it, but I don't want to use it. I'm going to close the bracket and see this formula results are similar. Here, I don't know which are the duplicates. Here in this rank average equals to rank average. My number is this one and reference starting from M3 to M21. I'm going to lock the values, bracket close, and you will find here the ranking. And wherever the duplication is there, you will find this 0.5 extension, extra zero point 0.5. These are the duplicates. So we can use rank EQ function which are similar. Then again, I'm suggesting you don't use the rank function, use the rank EQ function in the future, and rank average for duplication finding. And this way easily you can handle your data and you can ascending or descending order of your data. I'm highlighting this one and I'm going to put the filters. See, now filters are enabled. If I want to use my data from largest number to smallest, I will click on Z to A, and you can see it here all from Z to A numbers. Descending order numbers are here now. And if I want to use smallest to largest, you can see it here. Smallest to largest numbers are here with us now. This way you can also sort it out your data based on your requirements. Thank you very much.